Hi, so today I'm doing a collab. This is a collab we do on the 10th of every month. It's the new palette collab, and today I'm going to use the classic matte palette by Kylie Jenner. This, I believe, came out over the summertime. This was a gift from Beth here on YouTube. So yeah, I'm going to use this today, and I will link everyone down below who does this collab. This group was created by Jennifer Amethyst Winters here on YouTube. So here is the palette. It's real, clean, basic, pretty all matte neutrals. You got cool and warm tones. And first I'm going to go into the shade Natural and put that all over my lid. Like, this palette is perfect for everyday, simple, basic looks. Now I want to go into the shade Nude and use that in my crease. I finally did my roots, but they're a little brassy, but it's only the second day. I do have to use some purple shampoo and it will blend in. And then I want to take the shade Shadow. It's like this cool tone, taupey color, and it's perfect for creating definition. And I'm just going in with a small fluffy brush, and I'm also going to take a small little pencil brush with the same shade and bring it under my lash line. And I want to add a little more depth to my eyes, so I'm going to go in the shade Chocolate. You can hear my cat crying. And then I want to go in the shade Base to brighten up my eye. I'm going to pat it down towards the inner part of my eye and my inner corner, and just bring it up to blend into what I did. And I'm going to bring that shade Base and put it under my brow bone. And this does have a black, so I'm going to take a liner brush and line under. And I'm going to push a little on my upper lash line. Like, you don't even need to use liner. So you can leave it as is. Jennifer did say she was recommending us to use a cranberry shade. So I do want to incorporate that. I'm going to use my little Pat McGrath palette. This is the Celestial Nirvana eyeshadow palette in Nude Allure. And this has pretty pinky cranberry shades. And I'm going to add the lightest pink. And I'm just going to pat that on the eye. Why not? Not quite cranberry, but it does add a little pinkness, a little shimmer to the look. And I love my shimmers. You know what? We'll add a little of this deeper one too in the lower lash line to blend that black out a little bit. But I do really like this palette. I think it's perfect for everyday natural looks. Is really good at shading the eye and starting off as a base if you want to add a top coat glitter or a shimmer, or a little single potted palette or eyeshadow. It would be really good for. And off camera I'm going to add just a little of my Color Key black liner and my mascara, the Kelly Ray Come Hell or High Water, and we'll do the lips and a highlighter. So eyes are done. Let's go into my Kylie Cosmetics highlighter. This is in the shade Quartz. So yeah, I only own 3 items from Kylie Cosmetics, and I figured we'll use the highlighter today. It has this yellow hue, yellow gold. And I'm not even sure if she still makes this product, because I do know she repackaged. And I actually got this for free on Ulta when she was rebranding. But I do think it's really pretty. And why not add a little more of this to the inner corner? And Beth also gave me a lip kit from Kylie. my first lip kit, and I have been using this and I love it. I really enjoy the formula and the color. So we'll go into the lip liner. And this set is called Angel. So I'm gonna line my lips. And this pencil, it's really pretty pink, neutral pink. And I do think the formula is really creamy. And I did have this, Beth also gave me this scribble stick. I'm not sure if it's for eyes or lips. Here's the color. And I do want to add just a little bit to bring that cranberry shade. Just put that like in the outer part. And here's the liquid lipstick. And I have worn this before and I found this really comfortable for being a matte lipstick, and it was transfer proof. My lips are kind of dry, so I'll show you how it looks after. So here's my lips. I really love the color. I feel like I lined it a little lopsided, but it dries pretty quick. Transfer proof. It's just a pretty color. And it doesn't look, I mean, my lips are pretty dry right now. I should have moisturized it beforehand, but it doesn't look too dry and the formula is pretty thin. But yeah, that is my makeup look today. Pretty wearable every day. I did add a little bit of pink to the eye, neutral eye. And I plan on going to Bath & Body Works today because I believe the new Sweetheart Cherry is at stores. But okay, guys, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you later. And please check out all the ladies' channels to see what look they did. All right, bye.